Hello children, welcome back to 7th class science online classes. This is second part for acids, bases and salt lesson. In the part 1 we discussed about what are the properties of acids. We discussed several points about acids. In this video, I would like to tell about bases. So, what are the characteristics of the bases? What are the properties of the bases? How we can find them? How we can find them? These all things we are going to learn in this chapter. So, what are the bases? We can define bases are chemical substances. Chemical substances. Bases are chemical substances. What are their properties? What are the properties of bases? The properties of bases. The first one is almost all bases are soapy to touch. Soapy to touch. If you touch any bases, they are soapy in nature, like a shampoo what we are using for the head bath, as well as soap. So these all are soapy in nature, sticky in nature, they are smooth in nature. Like almost all basic solutions are soapy in nature. This is the character of bases. Then the taste of bases is bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. Sometimes when we are having bath, unexpectedly shampoo or soap water enter into our mouth. On the time we can feel the taste of the soap and shampoo. They are bitter in taste because the soap and shampoo contains base chemical, base substance as an ingredient. That's why that is soapy in nature. Next one, bases are turns red litmus paper to blue. So there is a special character for the bases. If we dip red litmus paper in basic solution, that red litmus paper turns into blue color. This is the property of bases. Just take some soap water, take a blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. If you dip blue litmus paper in the soap water, the blue litmus paper not change its color. But if you dip red litmus paper, that red litmus paper turns into blue color because it indicates the given soap water is a base. So soap water is not acid, it is a base. This is the character. So bases turns red litmus paper to blue litmus paper, blue color. Then the another property of base is they form OH minus ions in aqueous solution. So dear students, the another property of base is bases forms OH minus ions. If we dissolve basic substances in any aqueous solution, the basic substances forms OH minus ions. We have to remember the point, OH minus ions in the aqueous solution. And another property of the base, the pH value of bases more than 7. So the pH value, as we discussed, there is a scale, pH scale, to measure the concentration of acid, the concentration of the base, or the neutral, I mean salt. There is a scale, that scale is called pH scale. In the pH scale, as I said in the before, there are 1 to 14 numbers. At the center it is neutral, means salt. If the pH value is greater than the 7, then it is called base. So the pH value of the bases are more than the 7, like 8 it is base, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if the pH value of any given sample is more than 7, we can conclude that it is a base. Next property of the base. So bases react with acids. When bases are mixed in the acids or react with the acids, they form salts. Best example is, for example, if you take base, sodium hydroxide, NaOH is the base, and acid like a HCl, hydrochloric acid, is the acid. If both are react each other, they forms NaCl, sodium chloride, and H2O water. NaCl. So this Na and this Cl combined together form sodium salt, and these two hydrogens form H2, and this oxygen forms water. So the sodium hydroxide is the base, react with the acid, hydrochloric acid, and form sodium chloride. It is sodium chloride salt. So this is the formula of when bases react with the acids. So dear students, the best example of the bases like examples are sodium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, So these are the few examples of bases. This is about bases. I hope you are understand. So what are the properties? Just rewind. So bases are soapy to touch. If touch the bases, they are soapy in nature. They are bitter in taste, and they turns red litmus paper to blue, and they form OH minus ions in the aqueous solution. And the pH value of the bases are more than 7. The bases react with the acids and form salts. And the examples of the bases are sodium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. So there are a number of the bases. These are the examples. Now I would like to compare acids and bases. Let's look at here. You are definitely tell answer. So soapy to touch, bases are soapy to touch, but salts are general to touch. There is any specific feature for the touch. Next, bases are bitter in taste. What about acids? Yes, exactly, you are correct. Acids are sour in taste. And bases turns red or to blue. They are bases. The bases turns red litmus paper to blue, but it is quite opposite to the acids. So acids turns blue litmus paper to red. It is R to B, but acids are B to R. Then bases forms OH minus ions. but acids forms H plus, so plus, but here minus, so they forms OH minus ions. Bases forms OH minus ions, but acid forms H plus ions. Next one, the pH value of bases more than 7. Look at here, more than 7. But what about the acids? Yes, you are correct. The pH value of the acids are less than 7. Less than 7. Next, come to the point. Yes, bases react with acids and form salt. Same, it is common for acids and bases. This point is common for acids and bases. Bases react with acids and form salts, as well as acids react with bases and form salts. It is a common point for the common feature for the acids and bases. The best examples of the bases are sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, so on. The best examples of the acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, citric acid, etc. So these are the differences between acids and bases. Are you clear what I said? So this is about bases. In the next video I am going to teach about salts. So don't miss next video. I hope you are understanding. I would like to give a homework for you, a home task for you. That is nothing but we discussed about the properties of bases in this session, and we discussed about the properties of the acids in the previous session. Just make a table, keep the heading acids and bases, and write the differences between acids and bases. This is home task what I am giving to you. So thank you for watching. Keep smiling, be happy, be safe. Thank you.